Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering and pairing the Playfit. Plug the magnetic charger until the battery shows 100% so calibration is accurate. This prevents tracking drift. Once charged, install the Playfit app, sign in, and enable Bluetooth and notifications so data flows both ways. Tap Pair inside the app, then follow the on-screen QR or code. Make sure your phone is within 1 meter during initial pairing. This minimizes failed handshakes and sets a solid foundation for act. Once paired, you customize settings so metrics reflect you. Enter age, weight, height, and dominant hand in the app because heart rate and calorie math depend on those values. Then choose a watch face and quick actions to keep key features one swipe away. Enable continuous heart rate and SpO2 if you need health insights, and set auto-sync to every 15 minutes or manual to conserve battery. Once done, force a sync to verify steps, heart data, and notifications appear correctly on both devices. You finish by using and maintaining Playfit to keep it reliable. For workouts, open the exercise app, pick a mode, and tap Start. Use GPS for outdoor runs to get pace and route. After heavy use, wipe sensors with a soft cloth, update firmware in-app, and charge. If syncing fails, restart both watch and phone, toggle Bluetooth, then repair in the Playfit app. This solves 90% of connection issues. If a sensor seems off, run a quick calibration walk to realign step and distance counts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.